So, hello. I'm just about to make a video about city skylines. Um, I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. I am terrible at this game, so for the beginning, I'm just gonna turn on some mods on. That means I'm gonna put unlimited money on. Never die, etc., etc. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna play some City Skylines. Then maybe tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. I don't know when. I'm gonna play some American Truck Simulator and maybe some City Skylines again. I think I'll do an episode of it. I've played this one already, City Skylines, but last time I played this, I was terrible. Traffic everywhere, people leaving, just yeah. So it wasn't really perfect. So, yeah. So, yeah. That video is gonna be completely black. There will be no image. That's all I wanted to say. And yeah, I will be making some videos about those games and maybe some others. I'm gonna buy a joystick for Microsoft FSX. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. Well, I'll see you with the next game. Goodbye.